So welcome back to the TEDx Paris edition. So we will have the last act for today, which is AromaBot.
Thank you. So I'm Abdoulaye, and with my colleague Samah, we've worked on bot called AromaBot. And the problem we wanted to solve is very simple. Because today, when the artificial intelligence understands your user's need, you need to have dedicated employees in order to process all of this information. And it's even worse when your services are using several channels, such as SMS, Slack, messengers, phone, etc. And that causes an inefficiency and waste of human and financial resources because of the inefficiency of the switchboard. So basically, the solution would be to optimize the process, the communication process, in order to first handle the users from any channel it comes from. Second, decongest the customer care thanks to a machine learning experience. And last but not least, assess the fastest way to answer the customer in order to take care of his frustration. So communication channels can include voice calls, for example, instant chats, or emails. And basically the tools that we used in order to solve this problem were Voxist, Telestax, Smartly.ai, and Scikit-learn for the machine learning experience. So starting with Voxist, Voxist helped us do the visual messaging so that the customer service can have all the messages no matter the channel it comes from. It can be voice or written. And it helps us as well classify the voicemails, personalize the answer based upon the need of the customer, and do the transcript from voice to email. Then Telestax helped us connect thanks to their RESTCOM platform, and it connects voices, video, messages thanks to the WebRTC technology on a single platform. Then we use for the chatbot Smartly.ai, and we can communicate thanks to a web chat directly on the website, SMS, or messenger on the social networks that we usually know. And Samah is going to present us what she did with Scikit in order to crawl, train, and connect the artificial intelligence. So basically, the artificial intelligence helped us for the search experience, search for the user's intentions, and search in the dataset in order to collect the relevant essential oil. So Samah, you will present.
So we want to advise the customer by responding to his question on a specific matter via a chatbot. Here we use the domain of aromatherapy. And the purpose is to retrieve information automatically from the data by using machine learning, so that our bot will be able to reply to a question on a particular subject without having to add specific information in the bot. So to do that, we have 3 steps. So first of all, we have to crawl the data online. So we have to have a target information to crawl. Here we use the website AromaZone, which is a website specialized on aromatherapy. They have a lot of information on the subject. So we crawl the data, and then second step is to train the data with machine learning. And here I used 3 different classifiers. One which is decision tree, random forest for the second, and the third one is SVM linear, which is very. So I don't know if you can see in the picture, but on the test we did, we have a very good accuracy on the data. And so we will be able, after having trained our data, we have been able to give a particular essential oil, which is a response to a request from a customer. For example, we have an input. So imagine the customer is asking, here it's in French. So, qu'y a-t-il contre les infections? And this is the input. So we use machine learning to be able to give him the answer he required, which is teint alinéol. So we have the result. We did that with different input, and we can try with other requests. So that's it. It works, but there is a step we wasn't able to achieve for the moment, is to connect the chatbot with the machine learning system. We can do it, but it will require more time to do that. So I will give you.
Yeah, basically, we did the machine learning experience locally, and the chatbot experience we did it on the Smartly.ai servers. So both are working, but they're not connected. And thanks to the different bricks that we use, we can build a single customer care platform handling from onboarding to answer all the customer experience. And over time, we create and we help the customers, the businesses, create a solution that attracts leads, clients, and bring revenue to the business. So if you will, we would like to do a demo of the solution, expecting no demo effect. And it will be in French, so nobody will understand it but us, but you'll have to trust. Ready?
So I'll be running the demo for the WebRTC. So we'll do a call to the chatbot via WebRTC.
Bienvenue à AromaBot.
It's in
Souhaitez
French.
être mis en relation avec un de nos services ou voulez-vous que j'essaie de prendre en charge vos questions?
Prends en charge mes questions.
Quel problème souhaitez-vous soigner?
Verrue plantaire.
Connu pour ses qualités à droit d'auteur et purifiantes. Cette huile produisante est traditionnellement conseil pour lutter contre les verbes toniques et stimulantes à l'odeur vide, chaude et sucrée. Elle s'emploie également pour composer des parfums. Avez-vous à droit d'auteur pense à vos questions ou souhaitez-vous entrer en contact avec l'un de nos services?
Mets-moi en contact avec le service client.
Vous allez être mis en relation avec le service concerne. Contact avec le client AromaBot.
Hello.
Okay, so as you can see, basically what we did was very simple. The bot tried to give an answer to the customer need, and it gives the best answer that it could find thanks to the machine learning process. So after that, the customer wanted to be connected to with the customer care service, so he just asked the bot to do so, and the bot called the customer care service and put it in touch with the customer directly, and the customer care took care of the customer from there. But if the customer care service was unable, what the bot would have done, and actually what it's doing right now, which is working, would have been to contact Voxist in order to give a message to the customer care. Voxist then recognizes that this customer wants to talk to this service, it would take the message, transcript it in text, then send it to the service or whatever services concerned with the need. And based upon that, then we can contact back the customer whenever we are ready to take care of the process. So all of this will be to optimize the relation, selecting the best information and putting in touch with the most relevant person if is available. So thank you very much.
So thank you everybody for watching. That's it for today. We'll publish soon the result of the jury selection for Paris, and I think in a few days the global jury will have made the selection for the global winners. And hope you enjoy your TEDx in Paris, and see you next year.